Alright, we got new exhaust for the G35 going on today. It's starting to snow out here, so I'm not going to be doing it out here. I'm going to actually be doing it in this dinky little garage, so we have to move all the stuff that we had in the shop out of here. So we're going to get started doing that, and then we'll start putting the exhaust on. If you don't remember in my last videos, we took this old crappy Y pipe out and then put this nice new Y pipe in. Well, this is the last piece to the exhaust other than the race headers, which will be installed soon as well. Here's the before and after. Alright, so I got the Manzo exhaust, got the garage cleared up so that I can get the car in. Basically, I'm going to assemble this off the car so I can just put it on in one solid piece. So I'm going to get to doing that now. Alright, got it all assembled. Sorry about the camera cutting out. It's basically ready to just be bolted on and put in the hanger. So I'm going to get the car in and get the old exhaust off. Alright, so the G35 only barely fits in, so this is going to be fun, but we'll get started getting it in the air. Alright, so it's really crammed. We got the car jacked up as high as it can go, and as you can see, isn't very high. We have jack stands under here, so I'm just going to go ahead and unbolt it and then take it off at the back hangers. Wow, that was aggressive. Time for the new one. Alright, got the new exhaust on. We're going to give some rev clips here and then take it down the road and hear what it sounds like. I didn't want to rev it up, kids were sleeping, and didn't want to be rude to my neighbor, so here it is. Well, there's the old exhaust, all junky. Weld's held up pretty good though, I'm really surprised. But it's all kinds of mismatched pipes and the Borla tip. This new exhaust sounds way better. And it feels like it has a little more power, but you know, that could just be placebo. We'll know for sure when we go back to the dyno here soon. So, well, thanks for watching the video. I really love the way the new exhaust sounds over this Borla. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Check out my other videos. I have a bunch of better videos than this. But yeah, just want to give you guys an update and show you the new exhaust, and it sounds really good. I'm going to be installing a few more parts here coming soon, so definitely stay tuned to the channel. And we'll have more content soon. Thanks for watching. God bless.